Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your phone number in Gcash, especially during registration and verification. By the way, if this is your first time here on my channel, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials videos like this. So sa Gcash, kapag first time ka mag-sign up, ang pinakaunang hihingan nila sa iyo ay yung mobile number. Yes, yan po mismo ang magiging account mo sa Gcash kaya dapat yan ay active at eventually kailangan mo ring ma-verify ang account na yan. Pero paano kung nawala mo yung old number mo? O kaya naman ayaw mo na talaga gamitin yung lumang number mo for personal reasons? Don't worry because in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to switch to a new number sa Gcash. So ganito yan. If you lost your old SIM or kung gusto mo talagang palitan yung number mo, hindi mo pwede i-edit lang yung number sa settings. Gcash doesn't work that way. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay gumawa ng panibagong Gcash account gamit ang bago mong number. At syempre, make sure na ma-verify mo rin yung new account mo fully verified, okay? Kasi kung hindi, limited lang ang features mo. Ito ang importanteng part. Hindi lahat ng data or services ay malilipat automatically to your new number. Here's a quick list ng mga bagay na hindi mata-transfer sa new Gcash account mo. Previous transaction history. G-Score, G-Forest Progress, Piggy Bank, and your old number will be permanently closed in Gcash records. So once na ma-transfer yung account, you won't be able to log in using your old number anymore. Kaya sure dapat kayo sa decision mo bago ninyo i-transfer. Kung decided ka na at ready ka na mag-request ng transfer, here's what you'll need to do. Valid ID, kailangan ito for identity verification. Pwede ang national ID, passport, driver's license, or Philippine postal ID. Selfie with your ID, dapat malinaw ang kuha and original. Hindi photocopy or scan. Now let's go to Gcash website where you can request for the transfer. Tap mo yung link na nagsasabing submit request here. Once nandun ka na, fill out mo lang yung form and then I'll walk you through kung ano yung mga kailangan mong i-type. Email address, type in your active email mo, Gcash registered full name, make sure tama ang spelling, select the country kung saan ka naka-register, mobile number, yung gamit mo ngayon na number, old Gcash mobile number, ilagay yung luma mong number, and the new Gcash mobile number na dapat ito ay fully verified na account. And what happened to your old number? Ilagay mo dito kung nawalan ka ba ng SIM, nawala yung phone, or iba pang dahilan. Sa pinakababa ng form, meron doong text box that says, please share what happened or add other information about your concern. So just type this in a short explanation. So for example, I lost my SIM card and can no longer recover the number. Then upload all your attachments, photo of your ID, and your selfie with the ID. And once it's all complete, just tap submit. Now let's talk about the waiting time. Wallet balance will usually be transferred within 48 hours. Pero yung ibang services tulad ng GStocks, PH, GSave, Gcash Card, Gcash Pera Outlet, GCrypto, GLoan, GCredit, GGives, and GInsure, this might take up to 14 days. So medyo patience lang talaga, pero sure naman na matatapos ito basta kompleto ang requirements mo. And that's it. Ganun lang kasimple yung proseso ng pagpalit ng phone number sa Gcash. Just follow the steps carefully and double check your info before you submit. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and feel free to comment below kung may iba pa kayong questions or gusto nyong gawin itong topic sa next nating video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.